everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download TV2 Play application on your Android device. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, go through your app drawer and launch open the Play Store app icon. In the search box, type in TV2 Play and search. Once you come across your search result, tap on this TV2 Play application, and then once you come across this description page, tap on the install button to begin the download process. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will take several minutes. Once the download is completed, you can tap on the open button as soon as it pops up in order to open up TV2 Play on your Android phone. And that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.